Hi beautiful people, welcome again to my channel. Today is another video of my morning skincare routine. That's what we're going to be doing on this video. Please, if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Jennifer. Please do it to tap on that subscribe button and also turn your post notifications on so that you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Please let it touch your heart today to support me. If you've been watching and they're yet to subscribe, please let it touch your heart today to support me, okay? So without further ado, let's dive into this video. The first thing I do in the morning is to cleanse my face. What I use in cleansing my face is Dove cream oil. This bar soap. This is what I use in cleansing my face in the morning. I use this to cleanse my face with my hand glove in the morning. Sometimes, not every morning though, not every morning, but weekend mostly I use this to scrub my face just with this soap and with my hand glove, okay? So that's what I'm going to be doing here.
I might grab a bat, I don't know my wrath, my blood boils over like oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay. There's no controlling me, my thoughts get so bad, I'm like I might grab a bat, I don't know my wrath, my blood boils over like oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to
So guys, coming out of the bathroom after washing off my face, this is what I look like. Sometimes I air dry my face, sometimes I use my face towel, but right now I think I want to air dry. So let's dance
the
one.
rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize.
So people of God, I have to go very close to the fan to fasten the air drying process. And after air drying my face, can you see that beautiful face right now? Nothing is on my face right now. I'm yet to apply any other thing. So let's go into the next step. And the next step is toning. I've told you guys that what I use to tone my face is boot rose water. This is what I use. Boot rose water with glycerin. That's just the two things inside here, rose water and glycerin. This is the dirt that I cleaned out. So guys, I love the glycerin combination of this rose water because it helps also to hydrate my face. So if you're someone that love the hydrating stuff, you need to go for this particular rose water. There is another rose water that I have here. This particular one, yeah, I bought this one 2,000 naira, and I bought this one 1,000. I don't know how much that is in dollars. You people should help me calculate. So this one is just rose water without anything. If you have an oil face, I will advise you go with this one that has no glycerin. Then after toning my face, the next thing I do is to go in with my vitamin C serum. And in my vitamin C serum, I use Peme vitamin C serum. I use this serum. This is an amazing serum that I've been using for 2 weeks now, and it's lovely. It's great. It's amazing. It's awesome. So what I do is I just use this. It has refused to drop. Why is that? Finally dropped. So I drop like 3, 4, or 5, depending on the mood. I as well make sure it goes close to my eyes to help So coming here, I rub it this way, lifting up my chin. So guys, the feeling is amazing. Can you see the face? Say something. It's so amazing and it's so beautiful. It's so moisturizing. So now that I've used my vitamin C serum, the next thing is my moisturizer. And the moisturizer that I use is Nivea Soft. This is also for the body and for the hands according to the manufacturer, but I strictly use it on my face because I use Nivea Even and Radiant on my body. I don't know if you can see, I've actually used it on this camera. Gosh. But one thing I don't like about this Nivea Soft is that I'm going to dip my hands into it, and I don't like dipping. Let's go. The same process, always. It absorbs really quick into the skin and is moisturizing. My face is just so soft, like a baby nyash. Damn. So the last thing I do in the morning, every morning, is to use my Skin Doctor sunscreen. I don't miss it. I don't go out without my sunscreen. Okay, so what I do is to get a little, the two finger rule, and what I do is this. So this is what I do because I don't want it to leave anything white on my face. This particular sunscreen leaves a white cast, and that's one thing I don't like about it. So after rubbing it, so now let's blend. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, please subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and also turn your post notifications. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye.
So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough.